Good morning, friends. I am Homa Mistry from TBI, and I thought today I must take this opportunity to speak to all my partners all over the world. Friends, you as well as our companies have been in lockdown for the past 4 months. These 4 months have been a great experience for us. First, let me tell you what is happening in India. In the current situation, as you all know, India is a huge country. It is not only a huge country, it is a country with large population, and because of its population being so large, obviously the number of positive cases are also large. But you all must know that India, the death rate is only 2.5%, which means our recovery is very, very good. This is possible because the government of India, as well as the people, have had great discipline. From the day it started, various states and the people in the states have shown discipline, and therefore the recovery rate of India, even though you must be reading that the numbers are going up, but our recovery rate is extremely, extremely good. In Delhi, from where I am speaking today, there is an 80% recovery. Friends, as far as our tourism is concerned, and when our clients come to India, they go to places like Rajasthan, Goa, Kerala. All these places have shown great positive results as far as COVID is concerned. So, looking forward, our domestic airlines have started. They've already started in lesser numbers from the earlier ones. So, we have domestic airlines which are open. Our hotels in various states have opened. Goa and Kerala have already started accepting domestic tourism, and it is a matter of time that all our monuments shall be open to the public. Friends, this is as far as the COVID pandemic is concerned. But we in TBI have utilized this time very, very positively. What we have done is during this period, all of us have had knowledge sessions within the organization. By knowledge sessions, I mean our very own senior management did presentations to all the staff all over India in all our branches. Not only did our senior management discuss and speak to our colleagues about all the knowledge and experience on the products that we sell, but we also had our partners like international as well as the India hotels, large chains, who on a daily basis from 4 to 5 have been making presentations and teaching us more about the products. We also went through various experiences. So whether it was products, it was hotels, it was experiences, we have gained a lot of knowledge. There were many of our staff who were not in this particular discipline of inbound. They are also now ready to handle clients in the future. So we are very positive. India is opening up. And on the business front, I must tell you that while many of our other colleagues and partners have shut shop, we in TBI have been busy working. We've handled a group from America for repatriation. And while I'm speaking with you, till last night, we have already handled 12 international charters coming into India from various parts of Middle East. And with the culture of work at home, our colleagues have been able to systematically do the operations in Bangalore, Chennai, Bombay, Gaya, Delhi. All these places we've handled charters, and our partners have been extremely happy with us. We are not only lucky with handling business, but we are using the Six Sigma process. Each process that we have at the moment is being studied very well, and we will be ready when the pandemic is over. Friends, why I'm talking to you about business is because this business is not just tourism. Today, we as tour operators are doing business for tourism as well as looking after the health of our clients. As far as health and safety is concerned, we are not only talking, we have actually practiced that when our clients have come to the airport, our representatives are meeting with them on arrival with the PPE kits, the complete kit, gloves. We have been able to handle our business with the highest level of safety standards. And we have proved that as a company, we were able to change the way we work, we were able to adapt to the new change, and we have kept the health and safety standards paramount in our business. Not only are we doing health and safety for ourselves, but some of our colleagues are making presentation on the health and safety standards that tour operators in India should keep, also to various students, and teaching them the way forward. Friends, we are very positive and we are very hopeful that very soon the international airlines will also start, government to government will decide, and business will start again very soon. We are ready. We only hope and pray that you and your families remain safe. All the best. Namaste.